Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here at Pick and Pull in Edmonton, Alberta, and we have a 1992 Buick Park Avenue. And then we've got the 3.8 liter Series 1 V6, because you can tell by the aluminum, it's going to be a 92, 93 they would go to composite. Pretty good car. Someone's taken the fuel injector, so good on them, and the maxi fuse relays and things like that. It's just a friendly part. Part of the moss collection, clearly, because we've got lots of moss there. Train going by, so there's a little background noise. Nice fancy pinstriping. Doubt it's factory, but a nice aftermarket add-on for sure. We've got lots of chrome because it's a Park Avenue, and the old my doors are frozen, yank on them hard door opening things, handles. Must have an interior latch for this. Unfortunately, trunk is closed, so no ORPO codes for us on this. Little rust on this one, so you can kind of see why it's here. Also some rust right on here in the bumper. Didn't even realize that was metal, but it is. So there you go. Nice tail lights. I like those a lot. Yeah, well, it's just the cladding coming off the steel, I guess. It is a Park Avenue with its Park Avenue badges, but it's got rear drum brakes, so that's that door is not going to open for us. Is this door going to open for us? No. So we've got two down doors and two good ones. Fair enough. Power front brakes for sure, and I'm not even quite sure what size wheels would have been on this. Maybe the 225 60/16s? Probably not. Probably some 15 and fancy. What have we got going on out front here? Well, we got an alternator and power steering, heavy duty battery, air conditioning. It is a Buick after all. Oh, I broke that. That's not cool. We are talking about no ABS. No ABS, just manual brakes on that. Whatever that is. It's a little compressor. Maybe it has air ride and thus, yeah, no, it does, because that's the air, some of the air piping that's going around, maybe. To various componentry, maybe, I'm not sure. Let's take a look on the inside, see what we have for toy options and things like that. Actually, while we got the door open, let's go ahead and look and see. It'll tell us when it was built. 9 of 91, so September car. And oh man, they got so much going on here, it's crazy. So we have our lights on the door, park lights, headlights, that's on the door. Same over there, like temperature controls on the door. They're really trying to fill the space here. This is actually pretty interesting. So we got door, all 4 windows. We have power seats, mirrors. One would presume power locks. Yeah, it would have been in this little console here. You can see it on the passenger side. And then inside we have our Unistock tilt wheel, but we have panel lights, Twilight Sentinel, how long the lights are going to stay on or when they turn on. Ooh. Oh my. That radio might have to come home with me. Huh. Okay, so we got that. That's a neat radio. And glove box, Park Avenue. Hey, spiders are here. Neat. Fancy on that side as well. We got the ashtray that's already out here. Typical key ignition. But look at the gauge cluster too. We got temperature, oil pressure, volts, fuel, tachometer, 291,000 kilometers. Convert that over for you. Nothing in the center console here. That's neat. Nice plush seats. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get that out quick. I bet you this yanks out. Sorry, car. Airbag though, so that's fancy for 92. Rear seat, anything special? Not really. Clean. You know, we know it's rusted out underneath. Is it bad? Oh, it's bad. Yeah, it doesn't have trailing arms because of the design. It's a C or it's either a C or H body. I think it's an H. I'm not 100% sure on that. I guess the VIN would let me know, and I'm going to need that anyway to know what. No fun details about that. Oh, it's an easy one to read too. So there we have the VIN. So that'll tell us a bunch of cool stuff. RPO codes would as well. But there you go. Neat little car. Sitting here waiting for its parts to get picked. About to lose its radio. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. It's 92 will fit in my 90. Yeah, it will. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them, and subscribe to my channel, Turbo231, for more exciting videos. And thanks for watching. Holy crap, there's some amps. Have a good day. bucks.